Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix if your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max not downloading apps. So here are the general ways to fix this issue. First of all guys, you have to open the settings of your iPhone 15 and just simply you have to tap on screen time. From here you have to go to content and privacy restriction. If you have turned this on, just simply you have to go to iTunes and App Store purchases. From here guys, you have to make sure that you have allowed this one. So after allowing it guys, go back, and here is another way to fix this issue. Just simply you have to close this page. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Okay guys, and if you are using mobile data, then use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And you can also go to settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. You can also reset your network setting to fix this issue. If it's still not fixed guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to go to settings. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down, then you have to go to App Store. From here guys, you can easily see here app downloads. So guys, maybe if this is turned off, that's why it's not working. Just simply you have to turn it on. So you have to turn on all of these two girls and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply you have to sign out from iCloud and then sign in it again. Okay guys, just simply have to sign out from iCloud and just simply sign in again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.